Hi everybody, my name is Roman and it's Marketing Watch House. And today we talk about shared library shortcuts. Shared library in Google Ads is a very cool thing. It is actually a storage of different solutions that you can apply cross campaigns inside your accounts. It contains several solutions like audience library, bid strategies, negative keyword lists, shared budgets, placements, and also extensions that not everybody knows about. What is all about? It's all about saving your time and saving your money. When you try to manage your campaigns, you have a lot of actions that you actually repeat from one campaign to another. For example, a lot of negative lists are always the same through all your campaigns. Something like do it yourself or free or porn, a lot of things that people are actually looking for that you can negativate from all your campaigns once. This is exactly when you have to use the negative keyword lists because it's much faster. You just create a negative list that will contain all 100% bad keywords and just apply to all keywords. Or you can have a bid strategies. For example, if you're using a smart bidding, something like target CPA or target ROAS, you can apply the same strategy on several campaigns and ask Google to treat them all as in one big campaign instead of working with each campaign separately. That really helps when you have a lot of campaigns, but actual basket size of a conversion and the actual margin of this basket size is always the same. In that case, you don't actually care which campaign will drive the conversion. You just need to set up the same equally distributed target to all campaigns. The same happens with the budgets. Sometimes it's not the best solution for you. For example, when you have a shared budget. If some campaigns driving much more relevant and efficient traffic than another, and your budget is limited, the shared budget will distribute your budget through all the campaigns almost equally. And a lot of campaigns that are not very efficient would consume the same amount of money that the very good campaigns would do. In that case, you actually don't want to apply it. But let's go into details with each separate thing. The shared library is located inside your account, and most of the things are actually located inside the advertising account, but negative lists also exist on MCC level, and you can apply to all your clients or to all your campaigns in different accounts the same negative lists. Something like Audience Manager does not exist on MCC level and is Google Ads account only. To create a shared bid strategy, you don't have to go there. You can only create a new bid strategy when you choose several campaigns in the list. In drop-down menu, you push change the bid strategy, and then you will be asked which strategy you wanted to apply. Sometimes you need to use the existing portfolio strategy. For example, in a lot of my clients, I have a lot of existing portfolio strategy, and when I create a new campaign, I just wanted to apply there. But sometimes you need to create a new one. To create a new one, you only have to decide the target CPA or target ROAS or target impression share, whatever you need, and to define a name. And then when you push apply, you can come back to shared library to the bid strategies, and this new strategy will appear there with the data, with the campaigns there, and with the history. And you can go there each week and check how it's going on. Another very interesting thing is a shared negative lists. It's also located there. To create a new shared list, you just push the create button or plus button, define a name of this list, and just add there some negative lists that always will be bad through all your campaigns. Then you push save, and when it's done, you just click on the list and push apply to campaigns, and then choose the campaigns you wanted to apply. It's very easy and very cool. You also can do it when you're inside the campaign settings in a negative list tab, and then you also can apply one of the existing available negative keyword lists. Shared placements exclusion works exactly the same. For example, in one of my clients, I have a very big 10,000 different YouTube channels list that are all about the kids. I don't actually want to show any ads on the kids' YouTube channels. So I just created once a very big shared placements exclusion list, and then I just apply this the same as I apply negative lists to all my campaigns there. Shared budget works exactly the same way. You just create a new shared budget, you define this amount of money, and then you define which campaigns you want to apply there. It's also created in a shared library. And shared extensions. This is something that not every people know, but the thing is, you won't see a shared extension link there, but when you create any extension in your account, it will actually be located in the shared library of extensions. And each time you wanted to use or to add new extension in new campaign, Google will give you an option to add one of the existing extensions in your account. You can see it very clearly when you work with the AdWords editor, because when you do it there, you have a shared extension part, or you can Google feed in the search menu inside the Google Ads account, and you will see these feeds, but only if you already have at least one extension of each type. The thing is that you usually never change it here, but because you usually go to campaign and change extension there. But the important thing, when you change an extension that is applied to several campaigns in one campaign, because it's a shared extension and it's applied in all campaigns, it will be changed in all campaigns, because the actual entity, the actual extension that does exist, exists in this shared library. And when you change it inside the campaign, you also change it in the shared library automatically, and it changed in all other campaigns. That's all about shared library. Hope you find this video very interesting, and leave your comments below. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next video. Bye bye.